Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a haul video to show y'all I bought some stuff yesterday, and I bought one thing today too. Got some stuff from Walmart and one at home store, well HomeGood store. If y'all new, hi, my name is Tiffany and this is my channel, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification. And so let's get started into this video. Like my glasses like cricket. So the first thing I'm gonna show y'all is on my bed. I forgot to. It's some clothes. It's just one thing. I got this. Something about it, like a fashion stylist or something that I like about the color. I want me to get this. It was a black white one. It was just like this. So I had medium size, 7 to 9. It was about like $16.98. So this is how it looks. You see it really good. I haven't tried this one. I had got me a sewing box. I already have a sewing kit, but I think this is I got me this because I have a kit that's in my closet. It's like a bag, but I had got this one because they just in case if I don't have enough space or something, enough space for all my sewing kit stuff like tools and things. Because I'm going to get into sewing. I said it so many times I haven't. I'm doing the day is the right time when I'm like on my vacation, PTO vacation. This is how it looks inside. I'll show y'all. It has all the sets and stuff into it. I think my mom, she wanted me to get this for her. My mom wanted me to get this for her, so she told me to get this for her. Let me show y'all again. This is how it looks. It has everything in it. I already have a scissors inside too. I was going to get the sewing kit bag, with the wheel suitcase, like a suitcase. I was gonna get that, so I'll wait next time. I'm not gonna rush into it because I'm trying to this year not to go over my budget of buying too many stuff. I said I was gonna buy 1 or 2 things, but I said, well, I just got this one. I had got this, like cupcakes and stuff, so I had got this. I decided to get this because I haven't baking my cupcake. It was supposed to be the Christmas cupcake. Doing last month and last year, that our sink stopped up, so I didn't able to do that. And also we didn't have no baking, so for you bake cupcakes or muffins or something like that. So I decided to get this straight talk. Oh Lord, bend my straight talk card. I got my straight talk card because this is what I had got, because I get this from my phone that I get much. But yeah, I had got this pen. And so the next one, I already opened it. It's supposed to be my it's a charger I had got from my phone. My purse. It's this. I had got this because the other one I got is like a size, it's a 10 feet inches cord. So I decided to get this so I could like use this for work, because I don't want a cord that's too long. And I'd be like, well, my mom had to go back to Walmart, the other location Walmart, to replace. I had got the wrong one, so we got this one, and I had reversed and gave my mama the change back for her. So I did this one last because there's a bunch of stuff in here. Got this, and also my other thing I forgot. It's right over there. I have to show it to y'all. But I had got this today. Oh Lord, I got this today because I'm going to do a vision board, and I had bought a cardboard one. I don't know why I waste my money for that, but I decided I went to HomeGoods to get this one because it has this thing right here that you could you could raise this up and put on the wall. And I was gonna do that during this month and set up my vision board. I had to wait and see, but let me show you the other one. Let me get up and get that. Forgot to get it. This one, got the one that I got. I went to I don't know why I got the whole thing, but I got the small size that I got this one. If I knew that yesterday, I should have went up there at HomeGoods today from yesterday and got this. I don't know why I wasted money, got this one, but it's okay. I might just use it for something else. So that's what it is. Okay, now the last bag. It's a bunch of stuff. One, I had got me cooking spray can, the butter favor, so I could like use it so that when I bake something or making pancakes or baking, you know, the muffin cupcakes, I could just like use this to spray so it don't stick on the pan. For my mom, because she said, I told her we should get one so we could have in the bathroom. Drop this. We got like 3 of these because so we could put in 3 of our bathrooms. We got another bathroom. Well, we got a bathroom downstairs and got one in my mom room and also in the hallway bathroom. So we got these 3 so that we could like have them for them. Next thing, I got some envelope. I know this is not like I got some envelopes because so that we had some, but I've been starting off saving money using envelopes, and I've been kind of doing like that, or use it to save stuff up for paying something off. So I've been like using envelopes on these. So I had got next one. I had got me some mouthwash. I decided to get this because I'll be using this. I got some in my room. I mean in the bathroom. So I got this because it's for the healthy gums, and it do help a lot, and I like it. I like this. So I got it from Walmart. Next one, I had got me some pads because I need me some because I use these. I thought about getting the one that looked like a diapers kind. I can't think what it's called, but it looks like for women to use. You can wear it at home, but you can wear it out also. You go somewhere, but I'm not gonna wear it when I go somewhere if I'm on my period. I'd rather me to wear it at home on my off day. If you use pads, use them, but sometimes I don't like using pads. I'm not using tampons. I'm not doing that. Next one, got me some flossing stuff because I almost added the other one, so I decided to get this one. I think it was $1 and something. No, $2 and something. I had got this. I was trying to find the plastic kind, but they didn't have the plastic kind in this size, so I had got this. And yeah, I had got this one. So yeah. And the last 4 things I got is the cups. These cups I'm gonna use for the cupcakes, and I got them. I got about 4 of these, but I just got a bunch of these. So it's gonna be my first time ever baking something. Except I used to have a baking oven when I was younger. The easy bake oven, and I almost burned something up, but I hope I don't do that this time back. Right. So I think this is it. This is all the stuff that I got. Guys, if y'all enjoyed this video, just thumbs up, comment below, tell me what y'all think of this. Soon I'm going to be doing some vision boards. I can't wait to do it. So I'm going to be doing a bunch of this, probably this one or this one. I got this other big one. I don't know for sure. I might do a little artwork on that one probably. I just have to wait and see. Follow my social medias. They'll be in the description box. I probably said I saw my last video on the comments that y'all had shared. Had comment on my video about like supporting small channels. Keep supporting, keep doing that. But let me put this a little way. But I mean, like, keep comment on my video, on my last video. Let's keep supporting each other's channels, get feedbacks on each other's, and share it and share on social medias and do that, and so that we could grow together into the new year. And thank y'all. Keep supporting my channel too. Also subscribe to my second channel, my vlogging channel. I'm already vlogging today for my second channel. It's like a self-care today that I'm doing, so that's what I'm doing. And I would say stay classy, stay sassy, be you, do you, and I'll see y'all in my next video with this. So yeah, bye y'all.